Okay. So, ito yung intro. Okay na. E, pero ako usually do E additional 9. And then, E minor 6. This is E minor 6. Okay. Well, basta. So na yun, isa pa. Okay, so E, nakasulat doon. E, C, A, E. E, C, A, E. And then, you're my strength. So, yung B, from here, move mo lang konti para meron ng B. Okay, so, you are my strength when I am weak. Okay, so, pwede rin. And then A, B ulit. And then A. Ulit lang. Chorus. Same lang naman. Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Sorry. Tapos, na 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 na. You're my all in all. Chorus. Tapos transition. Ay, C pala. So, yan yung kung walang NC. Bakit tayo may NC? Para sana may harmony. Kaso dahil wala rin akong boses, hindi natin magagawa. So, lagyan mo lang kung ano yung chords ng second line. Yun lang din yung ginagawa natin sa simula. So, F, sharp, C sharp over F, E minor, C sharp over A sharp, B, tapos C sharp sus, C sharp, F. Pero pero bababa ka pa sa, yung second line, sa F ka lang. Okay, tapos, last line, worthy is your name. Baba ka, kasi ending na siya. Okay, yun lang. And syempre, curve your fingers, lift your wrist. Yun lang.